Assalamu alaikum students. Let's read the story, and the name of the story is The Wolf in Sheep's Clothing. A certain wolf could not get enough to eat because of the watchfulness of the shepherds. But one night he found the sheep skin that had been cast aside and forgotten. The next day, dressed in the skin, the wolf strolled into the pasture with the sheep. Soon the little lamb was following him about and was quickly led away to slaughter. That evening the wolf entered the fold with the flock, but it happened that the shepherd took a fancy for mutton broth that that very evening, and picking up a knife went to the fold. There, the first he laid hands and killed the wolf. Moral: the evildoer often comes harms through his own deceit. Thanks for watching. Students, don't forget to subscribe and like my video, okay?